Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title is Predictive Analysis for Big Mart Sales Using Machine Learning Algorithms. This is a website. Currently, supermarket runs and trades. Big Marts keep track of each individual item sales data in order to anticipate potential consumers' demand and update inventory management. Anomalies and general trends are often discovered by mining the data warehouses, data stores for retailers like Big Mart, and resulting data can be used to forecast future sales volume using various machine learning techniques like Big Mart. A predictive model was developed using Xgboost and Linear regression techniques for forecasting the uses of business such as Big Mart, and it was discovered that the model outperformed existing model. This is our system architecture. Here we use input of our dataset. Our dataset name is Big Mart sale dataset. So we have input from this dataset as a dataset repository. Okay, and after collection of this dataset, we get an input of our process. Okay, and we get an input of our dataset in our process, and after we include the next step of the process, pre-processing. And pre-processing means here we pre-process two steps of our data set. First one is handling missing values. Second one is drop unwanted columns. Handling missing values means some values are missing from our data set. So and the machine cannot understand that missing value, so we replace the missing values. That step is implemented in this step. And drop unwanted column means here we do not column is included in our data set, so drop that column. Then the step is implement in drop unwanted column step. Okay. And next, one of the module is data splitting. Data splitting means here we split our data set to test and train. Test means our output of this data set, like testing column is included in our test data set, and train data set have a we should train our machine. The training column is splitted into train data set. Okay, we have splitted after we implement algorithm as our process. Okay, here we implement two algorithms. One is Xgboost, another one is linear regression. Okay, and after implementing these algorithms, here we give some result like confusion matrix accuracy and mean absolute error, mean square error, and root mean square error. These values are find out from our data set. Okay, these are all whole process. Okay, and now we start a demo session of Big Mart sale. Now we click on this run button. Yeah, our program is in running state. Okay. Yeah, this is our process. First step of our process is data selection. Here we select train data and test data because this type of data only we get it. Okay. So this first we select train data. This is the train data matrices. And next one we select the test data. This is a test data matrices. Okay. And next one is pre-processing. Okay, pre-processing, here we done three steps. One is the label encoding. Label encoding means string to binary conversion of data. Then unwanted column removal. Unwanted column removal means if we have some unwanted column in data set, so this column is removed in our pre-processing steps. And last one is handling null values. So handling null values means here in our data set, like in a data set have some null values. So these null values are replaced with zero or average mean value. Okay. So before pre-processing step, here we have a null values. Okay, these two columns have a null values. First one is handling null values, and then handling unwanted column removal, then label encoding. After the pre-processing step, we have a complete cleaner data set. And next one is test pre-processing. Here also we have null values from this column and this column, and after we used to handle null values and handling unwanted columns and label encoding also. And after the pre-processing step, we have a clean data set. Okay. And after the pre-processing step, we go into data splitting. Data splitting means here we split train data into two splitting column, X train and Y train, and this column into split X test and Y test. Okay, and after the removal process, here we implement the algorithm steps. Here we implement Xgboost algorithm and linear regression algorithm. These are all the matrices like mean absolute error, mean square error, and root mean square error. Here we use forecasting algorithm. Here, so we used to find out error values only. Okay, after the after we finding the matrices, we have to compare these two matrices in the graph. Okay, and this is a mean absolute error value and mean square error value and root mean square error value. Also compare that. Okay, this is a process. Thank you.